Alrighty guys, it's Chris Oz Canopies and 4x4 doing a quick little showcase video on our new rooftop tent. Alright, first and foremost, let me give you the price, and then after I go through all of this value, you're gonna be like, bro, what in the hell? At that price, you'd be stupid not to buy it. So these ones are going $2,200. They are pre-order at the moment. Right, this is our prototype model, very, very close to the final one. So right off the top, we've got an 80 centimeter memory foam mattress. I'm gonna try and yank this bad boy out to show you guys. You've got the quilted cover on top. I'm telling you, if you guys could feel the comfort of this, man, you'd stop sleeping in your own bed and come sleep in this tent, right? On top of that, we've got a heavy duty poly cotton blackout ripstop canvas, puts the body of the tent together. We wanna make sure that when you are waking up in the morning and you want to sleep in a little bit, that sun is not getting in there causing you a drama, getting you up earlier than you want to be because you're camping, lad, you're on holiday. On top of that, every single door of course has the mesh to make sure that obviously you don't want any of those bugs and critters getting in. You can see that the doors are also made from the same heavy duty poly cotton. We are looking at the shell itself is all aluminium. We want to make sure that we are keeping the weight of this down as possible. This is below 80 kilograms for all you guys who are concerned about GVM. You've got full aluminium honeycomb construction, top and bottom. That honeycomb construction, of course, make sure that it is as insulated as it can be because it is trapping air in between the honeycombs and providing that additional layer of insulation. We've got all the aluminium corners there to make sure that it's as heavy duty as it can be. Your tent poles, obviously for your rain fly, that's also heavy duty. You can see we'll come over here, the seal running all the entire length of the tent, making sure that you don't end up with any water, because the last thing that you want to do is get to the campsite, open up, and then you see a whole bunch of water inside of it, right? Now, German Stabilis gas struts. Stop wasting your time with inferior brands. They last 6 months and then afterwards, you know, you can barely open your tent anymore, right? So these ones, German Stabilis gas struts. These can be regassed as well, which is very, very helpful. So 10 years down the line, you've still got the tent. Why? Because you made the smart decision and you bought a quality tent, and the gas struts are not working as well as they once did. You can take them off and get them regassed. Understandably, we've got all the stainless steel running gear hardware here, making sure that you can put your ladder, which is 2.3 meters long, by the way, that's where it is. While we're there, we may as well mention that, the telescoping ladder, on any of the entrances and get in any way that you would like. Now, sizing wise for this mattress, this is our 1.3 width tent. So you're looking at about 200 centimeters of length and about 120 centimeters of width. Very, very comfortable for one person, quite comfortable with two. So you've got no concerns over there. Drawing a look, you've got all your LED strips. Unfortunately, the battery is not connected at the moment. We probably should have done that actually, right? But you've got all the interior light that you could ever need. And then also on top of that, you've got a bunch of bags and pockets and all that type of stuff there as well for all your bits and pieces. We've got this lovely strap that goes on top here. This keeps all your additional bits and pieces. You've got one clear view one here, so if you wanted to put your iPad over here and then, you know, watch a bunch of shows while you're, you know, bored camping, you absolutely can as well. So we've got the condensation mat underneath the mattress as well. That comes standard. I'm going to show you guys that right now. Nice black condensation mat, right? We want to minimize the water inside the tent as much as possible. So what else do you get? What else do you get? You get your shoe bags. Come over here. You get a pair of shoe bags. Very, very straightforward. Additional pockets and all that type of stuff. The bottom of it is mesh as well, so if they're wet, they can drain out. You can throw them right in there. And also, by the time you wake up, they will be dry. Now let's go through this and see what else we've got. Obviously you've got over there, I don't know whether or not you guys can see, heavy duty latches to make sure that it is sealed correctly all the way around. You've got your handle there as well to make sure that you can open and close it quite simply. Rainfly poles, we already talked about that. We got a full mounting bracket. So on you guys who are running the canopies, the flat plate canopies. You can mount directly to the top of the canopy, of course. It comes with a full kit. For the guys running steel or aluminium canopies, maybe you find yourself a great deal on a steel and aluminium canopy from your guys at Oz Canopies at 4x4. A pair of simple crossbars on the canopy, and you can mount the tent directly on there. All of the bits and pieces are there as well. So we'll come around, I'll draw attention to the additional electrical componentry as well. So you've got here your two 12-volt cigarette lighter sockets. You've got two USB sockets as well. You've got one USB-A socket. This will be wired up directly to an Anderson plug. It's not here at the moment, one, because bit silly. We should get our display, set it up correctly before we do the video. We'll do that for the next time. But yes, typically this will come with an Anderson plug. You can mount that directly to the bottom of the tent, and then that way you can just sort of run all the power directly from the vehicle. Already mentioned the telescoping ladder. That one is rated to 150 kilograms. I'll draw attention to that as well. Apart from that, that is basically everything. These ones are pre-order at the moment. We have very limited stock. We've already got a whole heap of attention. If you want to grab one for yourself, give us a call, 02-9627-8666. Leave a small deposit. As soon as they are in the door, we will ship it directly out to you. We ship Australia-wide. Or if you wanted to see it in person, you can come visit us at 20 Walker Street, South Windsor. As always, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I'll see you guys on the next one.